Here at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers, we have a 2025 Buckman Portax K seen in the dark green metallic front bow and roof with a small jumper by Jan Künster on the side. We brought this lovely trailer in. We can change the decal if that's not your favorite one, but it's seeking a home and it has some great advantages. The Portax K has the front walk-off ramp, as you see, that is opened here. Rear ramp entry, which also can be converted to a step-up. Please check our YouTube channel out to see how easy that is. Built on galvanized steel chassis with anodized aluminum wall panels. It's a 7'8" internal height, two 33-inch wide stalls with adjustable stall bars for both tall horses or shorter. And you can change the length of the stall by adapting the rear stall bar position. Really easy to do. You just disconnect the bar, and then from the center post, the center panel, my apologies, you just hang it to the position you need and put it back into place. Whoops, put it back into place. All right. We have magnets on the side here, which you can see underneath right there. And this allows you to, when you are opening the trailer up, you want to load your first horse, choose whichever side you're going to load, you're able to lock that into place, and then it's not going to swing and bump your horse on the butt as you're loading the horse, whether it self-loads or you walk it in. To offload in this trailer, you take off the passenger side first. This is where you would tie trailer ties lower than in a North American trailer to allow the horses to more easily balance and clear their sinuses. They're not being constrained by a higher position. Also, if a horse goes down in a trailer, heaven forbid they have colic, they can't get hung by a lead line or a trailer tie that doesn't quick release. So you would put your lead line on your horse and you would take down the chest bar, and out the trailer you would go, walking down that 6-foot ramp. Perfect ramp for offloading. For the second horse though, I'm going to stand here for a moment just to show you there's not quite that much space for a horse to pass around this stall panel. So you're going to take down the chest bar and you're going to just push the panel out of the way. By doing that, I'm going to go back to the position of the horse. You have this full space across the front of the trailer to walk the horse. Much easier for the longer, bigger horse to be on that side for exiting the trailer. Inside here we have a tack locker, and I'll just show you now. I'll put this bucket back. There's two positions to hang your buckets. Okay, there's one for the passenger side, and the driver's side one is on the door. And if you come out here, you'll be able to see we have an entrance to this saddle cupboard. Comes with a net in it to be able to store whatever you need in there. Right now there's a torque wrench. You have 3 hooks in here, 2 on the door, 1 on the side wall. There's a crop holder. Cleanup crew comes with every Buckman trailer, and also a step stool. Step stool, very convenient to get up to that roof vent to open it up if you're vertically challenged. And then the saddle racks just swing right out, which is fantastic. You can be standing beside the trailer and be able to access your saddle without having to lean in very far, so it's much easier on your lower back. Lots of advantages on a Buckman horse trailer. WCF, which is the elite suspension system, comes on the Portax K, so it will ride as smoothly as your tow vehicle will. And you have integrated safety locks. There's the MSS system, which allows you to externally drop the stall bars in case of an emergency. So many features for you and your horse. Take another look at the Portax K, and maybe it'll follow you home today.